Cancer, welcome to Tarot 411 with Yvette. I'm here to do a love reading for the sign of Cancer. Cancer, I had to restart your video over again, but anyway, let's just tap into what's going on. I pulled insecurity, worth the wait, Cupid, argument, faith and destiny, on a pedestal, and childhood love. The cards that I pulled after that were the tea spill on Cancer. Yeah, I got money problems, probably causing insecurities in your relationship. I have third-party situation that came out here, causing problems in your relationship. I have someone who is mad and upset about it. I also have regret. Somebody's regretting something here. I also have fourth house. One's sense of security, family, siblings, parents, ancestries, heritage, roots. One's housing and comfort. Fourth house came out for you. I have someone's daydreaming here. I said I had that card. I have no limits. Did I mention Cupid came out? Okay, so then I have intelligence here. I have no limits. That came out. And then I have split personality here. Okay, so the cards that came out for you, we have an Empress here, someone who is pregnant. This is in love. I have someone who is walking away, or this Empress walked away. Cancer, have the Five of Wands in reverse. And normally I take my cards in the upright at the beginning and then I clarify in the reverse. But this card wanted to come out in reverse. So someone's not wanting any conflict here. They want to put an end to this here. There's someone is sending messages here. Okay. I split the deck, and I tell you, I take my cards in the upright. There was a heartbreak, and now this is like over, or whatever this is. Yeah. Someone knows it. Someone wants this love thing back here. This is love. They want to send messages. This is love. This is... I don't know what this is going to be. Look. Oh my goodness. Judgment. I feel like a higher calling. I just feel that. I don't know what. We got someone here that was confused about something, some choices and options. We got someone here that is in the Five of Swords, or was in the Five of Swords here. This is like feeling defeated. This is like someone trying to get one over on you. Some of y'all may have been dealing with a Queen of Pentacles here. This is a mother here. I don't know if this Empress walked away. Like somebody was confused about something here. These choices they have. These options. Now somebody's sitting here bored. Wishing they had taken this offer at one point. Cancer. In love. That's the moon card. And it came out in reverse. So some things came out here that you found out. This is not being in an illusion anymore. Oh my goodness, Cancer. You guys are on it. You know this was using your intuition. Could have been about a childhood love here. Because I have Cupid here. Look. Page of Pentacles. This person is wanting to communicate. Send you messages. This person could be making plans too. You found out something about a kid is what if some of you guys, but again, I'm focused on love. Okay. What else in love for the sign of Cancer? Thank you, Spirit. What is this? The Eight of Pentacles in reverse. So you're not wanting to work on this. This Empress possibly don't want to work on this. This is the universe. This is destined. This is the world. Something destined. It was supposed to happen. You were supposed to walk away from this. We have this. Somebody here is not happy because you did. She came out in reverse. He or she, it doesn't matter. I don't really get all that. Look, 10 of Wands. This was a painful ending for somebody here. But they put the burden down and they walked away from this. They weren't happy, Cancer. I feel like something's good coming toward you. After you did all this, thank you. This is the Ten of Swords. This is ending. This is an ending to all of this. Cycles completed. You got 2 tens back to back. You got this destined card here, destiny. The 9 of Wands here. I gotta see. She just popped out. I wasn't expecting her to come out. Let me see one. That is the Moon card again. No. I got that wrong. This is the Moon card. That looked like the Moon card. Okay, let me back up. Okay, so back up here, we have somebody here that didn't want to balance out a situation here in love. They're using their intuition here. It's almost like this person just like taking notes, jotting down things, remembering things, using their intuition about this confusion. This person also drinks, or if you're dealing with someone who drinks, I feel like this person, somebody here doesn't want to work on it anymore. And the universe is here. The World card. This is destined to happen. Somebody's not happy and they want to put this burden down. This is a completion. This is like over. Okay, we got a Two of Cups here. This is a connection here with someone here, Cancer. I got the Knight of Wands in the reverse. I don't think you're speaking to this person, because this person was juggling. Now they don't want to juggle anymore. Two options here. Now they want to give you a pentacle. In the beginning they didn't want to. Now they want to give it to you. I think this person is frustrated because you're not taking anything from them. We got the Five of Pentacles here. You leaving this person out. Because this person put you in the Five of Cups. That's why. I don't know why I need to take these. Oh, so this is you in search of moving on. This person was your Tower, Cancer. You're probably over this, or this is something that you could be going through right now. Let's do the karmic tales, Cancer. Did I even pull the karmic tales? It's coming out for Cancer, October 2022 in love for the sign of Cancer. Anything coming out, spirit guides? Thank you. Karmic. Karmic. You may have been dealing with a karmic here. Commitment forever at the bottom of the deck, Cancer. Check bank records. Marriage counseling. Receipts. Private detective. Selfish, moody, childish, and petty. Anything I want. Yep, y'all dealing with somebody here that is possibly a drama queen or king, whoever. Take it as a resonate. General reading, Cancer. Can you tell us more about this love connection for the sign of Cancer? Love connection for the sign of Cancer. Trapped in your head, huh? Somebody is. Somebody is feeling trapped, like they can't get out. They've got this feeling hopeless, cornered. Cancer. Channeling for Cancer, Spirit. Thank you, Spirit. Juggling at the bottom of the deck. We already talked about that, I think. Okay, Cancer. We got a Queen of Pentacles here. Okay, so we got somebody here that is feeling trapped and hopeless. They want to balance out this connection with you. But I have the Knight of Wands. Things may not go as they plan. You could be dealing with a Queen of Pentacles, someone that you trusted here. And I have the Strength card here, which is Leo. I think that's you feeling confident here to move on. Let's clarify a little bit more on this. In love. That's the truth. When I was shuffling this, I kept focusing on this card here. And I think this is a new beginning for you here. Okay? This is in love. This is judgment in the upright here again. You guys, this is good. I don't even know who this is. Oh my goodness. Y'all needed to move on from this here. This is a good turnout for Cancer. You guys are achieving success and long-term goals here, Cancer. I don't even know what to call this reading because y'all I think some of this is some of you guys are going, this stuff is in the past and already happened, and maybe you're thinking about this stuff over or remembering it, and as you moved on, someone else is probably thinking about what they did to you or whatever. But anyway, the storyline is coming out in the reading. We got somebody here who is holding on to past regrets. I really don't feel like that is you, Cancer. So you need to let go of this past regret if it is you. Because you guys got some good stability coming in here for you. Oh my God. This is a big love. This is good, Cancer. I'm sorry. This is new opportunities in love as well. We got somebody here that was torn between two choices, Cancer. Yep. Okay, it's coming out now. Thank you, Spirit. Remember, I was decisive about this Empress here, right? And guess what? She came out in the reverse here. Okay. This is somebody who was neglectful here. And we got the 7 of Swords here. This person did do something, but they got caught doing it. Okay, this Empress. Let's see what's on the bottom of the deck. This is the 9 of Cups here at the bottom of the deck. You're happy. This is justice being served, Cancer. Come on. Okay. This is in love. You've caught this person in a third-party situation trying to work with others, Cancer. As far as I'm concerned, I think you're moving past this. I don't even want to clarify. Oh my goodness. You guys are... Okay, let me stop. Okay, Cancer. That is all that I have for you today. Please like and subscribe and have a blessed day, Cancer. Thank you.